So what happens when you fill in the quote request form on our website? Very simply, enter your name, email address, where the shutters are going to be, so a bar shutter, where do you want it fitted, rough size, 3 meters by 1 meter, anything else we need to know. Want various options. Okay, tick the box because we are going to store your details on our quote system and send. That then will come into our email. There's the inquiry, and we'll go to one of our someone in our sales department. First thing we're going to do when we receive the email is there enough information? Do we need any more information? And we take into account what's for. So in this case, it's a bar shutter in Exeter and various options. Now eventually, this will end up in our quote system, and quotes will be created and sent out to you. And it really is as simple as that. So please fill in the form and let's help you. But while I've got you, let's have a quick walk round of the offices on the ground floor here at HVP. We have various different shutter setups here, mainly aluminium, remote control, manual, perforated shutters, punched, all in aluminium. Down the bottom here is our steel shutters, perforated. So come on, ask us for a quote. We do various different types of shutters. I'm sure we can help. If we can't help, we will know someone that can. So drop us an email, give us a call, and let's get your shutters quoted for you.